Hey everyone, it's Jen. I hope you're doing well. I recently ordered a pair of Jordan 1 low neutral grays off eBay and they surprisingly got to me pretty quickly. I placed the order on July 1st and they were delivered on July 7th, which is quicker than GOAT or StockX. I did get the women's version and paid about $20 above retail, which isn't too bad. They come with an eBay authentication tag, which is NFC enabled. I'll show you what that looks like a little later. In hand, they're nice and clean, which is what I was expecting. The leather is soft, but nothing amazing. The suede is nicer in my opinion. I do have a men's pair coming in and plan to do a comparison between grade school, women's, and men's. That video will be helpful for people unsure of which version they want to buy. They do come with an extra set of gray laces, but I'm sticking with white. Sizing wise, I have narrow feet, went true to size, and they fit well. Go with your usual Jordan 1 size. I did experience some heel slip since the ankle area isn't padded like the high. Wearing thicker socks should help a bit if it bothers you. Revisiting the NFC tag, if you scan it with your phone, your order details and authentication pop up. I probably won't be checking these for every shoe I order off eBay, but it's a nice extra to have. That wraps up the video. Let me know if you've used eBay's authentication service and how your experience was if you did, and thanks for watching.